Good morning. This is Derek Chamblee. It's December 1st, 2016. Good morning, America. A couple of things I wanted to talk about this morning. Donald Trump's path to victory goes through the Supreme Court. Donald Trump's path to victory leads through the House of Representatives. Donald Trump's path to victory goes through the Senate. Only 18 days before the electors convene in the Electoral College, and the suggestion today is that the high-ranking leaders, both parties in the House of Representatives, the suggestion today is the high-ranking leaders of both major parties in the Senate, along with the President and the Vice President, the Secretary of State, and those in the order of the chain of command, the Joint Chiefs of Staff in command over the military apparatus of the United States of America, come to an agreement in this transition of power that the House of Representatives bring any particular articles, a sort of pre-impeachment, and hold hearings not only on the fairness of the election, not only on anomalies that have been discovered that may have breached the voting in the cyber world, but to bring whatever particulars they have against the President-elect Donald Trump, even the high-ranking leaders of the Republican Party that nominated him, stated over and over and over again, he's not fit to be president. Let him come to the House of Representatives and answer their questions. Let him defend himself in defense of Donald Trump. These particular allegations, charges, opinions, whatsoever you'll call them, he needs an opportunity to defend himself and prepare in terms of his fitness to control the nuclear apparatus and the federal military machinery of this great United States of America. And so, really, to allow time for the House of Representatives to present their particular articles and have their hearings. And this goes for any hearings in the Senate, any hearings on the particular selections by law that need their approval, the selections of Donald Trump and his transition team, in order to give the House time, in order to give the Senate time to consider any articles coming out of the House, to have some sort of vote as to the fitness of Donald Trump to be president of the United States, and then on to the Supreme Court to certify whatever results of the 2016 presidential campaign, presidential election, and whatever results come out of the House and the Senate in terms of the fitness of Donald Trump to be commander-in-chief, in order to give the House and the Senate and the Supreme Court time. We're suggesting today that the inaugural be moved to March. Historically, the President of the United States was inaugurated in March, not January. for a good reason. Any questions, for instance, about the Electoral College? Any questions about the particular states that are undergoing recounts right now? Any question about any breach in cybersecurity, where it came from? Who's responsible for that? All of those things need to be examined before the particular President-elect, Donald Trump, places his hand on a Bible. Even that particular tradition needs to be examined. One nation under God, really. And can President-elect Donald Trump be taken at his oath, be taken at his word, that he will uphold the United States Constitution? So help him God? What God is that? This is Derek Chamblee, Cyber Citizen Network. It's Thursday, December 1st, 2016, broadcasting from Atlanta, Georgia. And it's a beautiful, beautiful morning. God bless America. And Jesus is King.